Rohan was a mischievous boy from a small town, famous among his friends for cycling like a racer. Every morning, instead of riding calmly to school, he zigzagged through cars, buses, and autos, shouting, "Move aside! I'm the king of the road!" People shook their heads and muttered, "This boy will get into a big accident one day." His best friend Ankit often warned him, "Rohan, at least wear a helmet, bro." But Rohan just laughed and said, "Helmets are for cowards. I'm fearless." One afternoon, while showing off his stunts, his cycle hit a large stone. "Ah!" he screamed as he flew off and landed with bruises all over his arms and knees. The cycle crashed to the ground, its wheel bent badly. Passers-by rushed to help and scolded him. "Son, don't you know safety rules? Without a helmet, you're risking your life." Rohan felt embarrassed but acted tough as always. That evening, his uncle, an engineer working in robotics, visited their home. After hearing about the accident, he smiled knowingly. "Rohan, I have something special for you." From his bag, he pulled out a shiny, futuristic smart helmet with glowing blue lights and a sleek visor. Rohan's eyes lit up. "Whoa, this looks like Iron Man gear." The moment he put it on, a robotic voice spoke. "Beep beep. Hello, Rohan. I am your smart safety assistant. My job is to protect you, guide you, and annoy you until you learn discipline." Rohan jumped in shock. "What? It talks?" His uncle chuckled. "Yes, this helmet is not just protection, it's your new partner." The next morning, Rohan took the helmet for a ride. As soon as he pedaled too fast, the helmet interrupted. "Warning! Speed limit 25 kilometers per hour. Slow down immediately." Rohan groaned. "Oh no, this thing is like my mom sitting on my head." At a red light, Rohan tried to sneak across, but the helmet shouted loudly, "Stop! Red means danger. Wait for green." People stared and laughed seeing Rohan argue with his helmet. His friends teased, "Ha! Rohan's got Mummy 2.0 on his head." The helmet quickly replied, "Correction, I am smarter than his mom." Everyone burst into laughter while Rohan blushed. At school, things got even funnier. During sports period, Rohan forgot to remove his helmet. While playing football, the helmet suddenly warned, "Incoming ball detected. Duck." Rohan ducked and the football flew past straight into the teacher's face. The entire class roared with laughter. Later, when Rohan parked his cycle, the helmet whispered, "Use your lock. Theft risk is 78%. Rohan muttered, "Seriously, this helmet never shuts up." But slowly he began realizing how useful it actually was. One evening, a life-changing incident occurred. Rohan was cycling home when he noticed a little child running onto the busy road chasing a toy ball. Suddenly, a giant truck came speeding with a deafening vroom. The crowd gasped. The child froze in the middle of the road. Rohan panicked. "What should I do?" The helmet switched to emergency mode. "Rohan, listen carefully. Pedal at full force. Turn 45 degrees to the right. Maintain speed. Brake in 3, 2, 1, now." Rohan followed without hesitation. His cycle zoomed forward, he swerved perfectly, and at the last secondly grabbed the child and pulled him to safety. The truck roared past, missing them by inches. The child cried but was safe. The crowd clapped loudly. "That boy is a hero!" News reporters soon arrived and videos of Rohan's daring rescue went viral on social media. Headlines read, "Schoolboy and his talking helmet saved child from a tragic accident." At school the next day, the principal called Rohan onto the stage during assembly. With a proud voice, he said, "Rohan showed courage, but more importantly, he showed the power of safety awareness. Helmets don't just protect lives, they create heroes." Everyone applauded. Rohan scratched his head shyly and smiled. "Honestly, I used to think helmets were boring, but now it feels like my superpower." His friends cheered loudly. "Smart helmet forever!" Later, at home, Rohan gently polished his cycle and looked at the glowing helmet. "Thanks, buddy. Without you, I could never have done it." The helmet responded in its robotic tone. Correction. Without me, you would already be in the hospital. Rohan burst out laughing, hugged the helmet, and wore it proudly. The final shot showed him cycling responsibly with the little child waving happily from the roadside. On the screen, glowing words appeared. Safety is not an option, it's a responsibility. Always wear your helmet.